Hey, what's up, Siacoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So once again, I'm present with another latest update of Siacoin. My friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video because in this video, I'm talking about the good news of Siacoin. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the Sia coins start pumping, my friends, and very fastly moving up in a cryptocurrencies market. And I hope that that is the trending coin in this time in the market very soon. But now that is just a beginning, my friends. So you have to wait for it. Now they will very soon they will become a trending coin in the market, but you have to wait for it, my friends. Anyways, please click the subscribe button, like this video, and also tell your opinion in the comment box. But subscribe is very important for all of you because ABS Tech channel will give you latest update about cryptocurrencies market, which is very important for all of you, my friends. My friends, the this time price of the Siacoin in the market is 0.015326 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the Siacoin in the market. And the below one is the Bitcoin BTC price of the Siacoin in the market. You can easily read. You know what, my friends, I'm very angry today when I see the negative change occurring in the Siacoin. But again I'm feeling happy and my heart feels satisfied. Why? Because when I see the last 1 hour price change of the Siacoin, so I'm feeling happy. That's anyways. Now this time the last 1 hour pricing is positive, and the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so I understand that Siacoin are going to the moon. Are you believe that Siacoin are going to the moon? You can see here, my friends, I believe that Siacoin going to the moon, because if you look the cryptocurrencies market, if you look the price chart of the Siacoin after last 1 week, so you can see here falls down, after falls there is a jump, my friends. That is the common procedure, and now they are in the jumping mood. So that's mean that they take a jump and they are going to the moon, my friends. They are going to the moon. You can see here falls down, after falls goes to the moon, and now after this falls they again start pumping and they are going to the moon. But friends, you have to only patience, you have to only wait. Everything will be okay in a Siacoin. You have to only wait, my friends. My prediction about Siacoin is 100% positive, and I believe that they will give you good amount of profit. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Siacoin? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.